Hey guys, May 3rd, 2022. We are looking at AMD, a favorite of ours that we've looked at plenty of times before in the past. But let's see why. Let's see why right now it's making its way to the top of the charts as far as heavily traded stocks. So it says a few press releases came out today. Earnings scheduled for May 3rd. A peek into the market. AMD Quarter 1 earnings preview. What investors should know before heading into today's print. Um, so I guess their earnings today is the reason why there's so much buzz around this name. But I can't get an idea if they did well or not. Let me see something. Tuesday after the market closes will be the first earnings report. Okay, so it's going to happen after the market closes. Um, so we can't see it now. Hopefully you guys will get out before that because, you don't want to take your chances on a 50-50 chance when you're in the green right now. But if you zoom out to a 20-day scope, we can see that we predicted this downward trend would end, which it did 1, 2, 3, 4 days ago. And now it's more so moving sideways. I guess you can say it's consolidating. That is not a good line. Let me redo that one. So I want to say playing within a range of 84, 85, and whoa, 90. Can we say 90? I guess 91.65 is a good range. As far as a trend going up, can't really say because every time it going up, it would come right back down. It's like a roller coaster. Pretty nice roller coaster. A good way for swing traders to make money. And just to zoom in intraday, same thing, man. So intraday is mimicking an overall 5-day scope with the ups and downs, up and down. And right now it's currently above VWAP. So there is another stock I want to look at, SNOA. Those of you who never heard this stock before, it is a sleeping giant. So you're not the only one who haven't heard this stock before. But as far as the opening bell, it dropped. I guess came up briefly, but overall it's down. VWAP, below VWAP. Let's see the news on why SNOA. This thing was making some noise. And it says, midday market update. Sonoma Pharmaceuticals shares 28% after EPA approval on Nanocyn. So you don't really need to know in depth the detail unless you're a long-term trader, which I don't think that many people are with a sleepy giant like this. You're probably a day trader, a swing trader. So all you need to know is that they had good news. FDA or EPA approved something, but it didn't do much for it. Opening bell. It stayed below the VWAP 80% of the time. So we can probably chalk this up as a dud. It's going to not do well tomorrow, unless I don't know, some hedge fund finds this and say, you know what, there's an opportunity for us to make money. I want to look at one more stock, OST. Another, whoa, look at this 5-day scope. So you would think this stock did nothing for the last 4 days, right? And this particular day went all the way up to 55. Let's take a look intraday to see what's going on. So it's amazing how so much volume is here on this day, but it's not even moving numbers, it's not doing anything. But if you look at the last 5 days ago, all this movement in the price action, there was little to no volume. I can't put my finger on this. This is amazing to me. But as far as why this thing is moving, OST, I would say OST. It says technology shares resume trading up 43%. Halted midday session. So no news that I can see for this to be above the VWAP. But being above the VWAP means you're trading more shares than normal, which is a good thing for those who are trying to go long or hoping that this thing continues to go up. But I do not see any clear trends unless you guys know something. But as far as me, I would say this one is a no touch, no go. But that's all for today, guys. Thank you for checking me out. I'll check you out on the next video. Bye.